Hey guys, I'm back with my 2019 Rad Mini 4. Gonna replace the handlebar grips on it with the GP1-L Ergon grips. They're the Rohloff Nexus. That's what you want. One's shorter, one's longer. The only tool you need is a 4mm Allen wrench. So let's get to it, trying to get these grips off. I know that some people have had a lot of problems getting these off. I've already had them off with replacing the handlebars with the Jones H-bar. So that came off pretty easily. I'm sure this one's going to be more difficult. I'll just kind of move it back and forth. I know some people have said that they've used compressed air. I think others have used WD-40 or something like that. But I'm just going to use brute strength and twist this thing off. There we go. Alright, I'm going to remove my aftermarket horn switch out of the way just for a minute. Let's put that down there. It says in the instructions to degrease and clean this with isopropyl alcohol. I don't think it was greasy, so I'm just going to clean it. Both sides, obviously. Right, so 4mm just says to loosen this off 3 or 4 turns. And just slide it on. It's right to the end where you want it. Tighten this down. Right around. That feels good. One end cap in. Back to this side. Slide that on. There. Going anywhere. There we go. We're done. Touch. Aftermarket horn. What's I have to do? Yeah. Thumb throttle. Got off of eBay, I think it was. There you go. So I had some questions on my last video that I put out on the Rad Mini about how I mounted the 35 amp controller. I don't know if you can really see behind this tie strap, but there's a screw there. So I just did it just below this wire mounting spot. And screwed that in, self-tapping screws. I drilled a small hole first. And then under here, I don't know if you can see through all the wires, but there's another one under there as well. And then I tie strapped it, but that's been there for, I don't know, 8 months now. Solid, not moving anywhere. Okay, let's take it for a test drive and see if we notice any difference. Yeah, right away they feel more softer and comfortable on the hands. They don't move at all. I'm screwed down on the ends, they're nice and tight. Alright, so that was definitely worth it, I think, for replacing those. They're not that expensive. I'll put a link down below in the description. You need one tool to put them on. I'd say it's like a one skill level to put them on. Very easy, other than getting the old grips off. And if you guys want to know anything else about the Rad Mini, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll do another video. Talk to you guys soon.